Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. It is a beautiful day today. For those who think NIO is still a fluke, think no more. We are expanding at a massive rate, and the Beijing Auto Show lit the fire. And recognition is what we have. As Faraday Future stock crashes 40% as it suggests another reverse stock split, and Zeekr celebrates arrival of first vehicles in Mexico. Berkshire, yes, Zeekr has entered Mexico as well. Berkshire further cuts stake in BYD to less than 6%. But why would they be doing that? BYD is expanding at a massive rate. This is whilst FAW Hongqi plugs into NIO with a partnership that I spoke about. This is a state-owned company. And this is 2 weeks ago, NIO registration were 3,400. This is 2 weeks ago. Well, what did NIO did this week? Insurance registrations for major electric vehicle makers, NIO, rose as deliveries usually higher towards the end of the month. For the week of June 17th to 23rd, insurance registration of NIO vehicles in China were 4,700. You heard that right, guys. 4,700, up 38.24% from 3,400 the previous week. According to data shared today, Li Auto stopped sharing weekly insurance registration numbers earlier this year. After doing so for about 1 year earlier in May, it resumed sharing those numbers. NIO delivered a record of 20,544 vehicles in May, surpassing the 20,462 vehicles delivered in July 2023, according to data it announced on June the 1st. NIO guided for second quarter deliveries between 54,000 and 56,000 vehicles when it reported first quarter earnings on June 6th, implying that June deliveries were expected to be between 17,836 and 19,836 vehicles. Yesterday, I also reported on this. Deutsche Bank analyst Wang Bin's team said in a June 21st research note that they expected NIO to deliver 18,200 vehicles in June, up 68% year on year. Every year, guys, this is what we're doing. We're crushing the year before. NIO deliveries in the second quarter of 2024 would total 54,200 vehicles, in line with its guidance range, the team said. Li Auto had an improvement as well. There were 11,700 units in its third consecutive week above 10,000 vehicles. And the company delivered 35,020 vehicles in May, up 35%. But what about, let's scroll down to Xiaomi, had 2,500 insurance registration. I want you guys to understand what's happening here. We're outselling another pure EV company, XPeng, who has low-end EVs. We're high-end premium, but yet we're outselling them. Imagine what will happen when Onvo Ladao is released in September 10th. The company delivered 10,146 vehicles in May. Now, I want you all to also understand this. When we release Onvo and we start mass delivering, and the profit coming in from that, as well as when those owners start using our battery swap stations, this is when it will be game over. XPeng on May 21st guided second quarter vehicle deliveries to be in range of 29,000 to 32,000, representing year-on-year growth. Deutsche Bank expected XPeng to deliver around 10,000 units in June, up 16% year-on-year, and unchanged from May. Tesla insurance registration Tesla pattern is to produce cars for export in the first half of the quarter. Tesla sold 55,215 vehicles in China in May. But it also says Tesla retail sales in China expected to come in at 55,000 units in June. That sounds really good, right, guys? No. It will be down 27% from a year ago and essentially flat from May, Wang team said. So I'm not going to go into all of the others. BYD crushed records as usual. Xiaomi had 3,300 insurance registration last week, up 32% from 2,500 the week before. We outselling Xiaomi, but remember they only have one EV on the market as of now. They say they were up 32% from 2,500 the week before. It's the highest single week record. So imagine, guys, we're even outselling Xiaomi, and we are high-end premium. So imagine when Onvo comes out, Ladao. Imagine when Firefly is released, which is going to be around just a little over 13,000 US dollars. 13,000. That is battery swappable capable. Our cars are swappable, upgradable, chargeable. No other company has those trios combined. Imagine when these come out. So I hope you guys are getting ready for Onvo and understand why Money Making Mitch keeps buying, and I'm going to buy this week again. So I hope you guys found this video to be informational, inspirational, and motivational yet again. If so, guys, do not forget to hit that thumbs up before you click out of this video. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. If you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because we're waking up the middle class on this channel for the first time to get a piece of the pie. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.